GARDENA, the art of clever watering. Hi, I'm Charlie Allbone, Brand Ambassador for GARDENA. I have here two very practical products to show you, the Twin Tap Connector and the 4-channel water distributor, both designed and manufactured in Germany. Both adapters allow you to connect multiple accessories to the one tap and are tested under a constant pressure of 1000 kPa. That's twice the regulated maximum household pressure of 500 kPa, so they simply won't leak. The Twin Tap Connector features two independent outlets with large soft grip knobs to individually adjust and shut off the water flow. You could, for example, connect one outlet to a sprinkler system on a timer and the other to your garden hose, ready to use at any time. The connector simply screws onto your tap and is suitable for all Australian tap sizes thanks to the reducing insert. For a 3/4 inch tap, leave the insert in, and for an inch tap, simply remove it. The outlets on the connector are uniquely positioned to allow plenty of space for two water computers to be used side by side. The 4-channel water distributor boasts all the same features of the Twin Tap Connector, whilst allowing you to connect and independently operate up to 4 accessories on the one tap. These products are covered by the reliable 2-year GARDENA warranty. So to recap, they provide increased versatility at the tap by allowing two GARDENA water computers side by side. They're long-lasting and designed to withstand a constant pressure of 1000 kPa. They're designed and manufactured in Germany. To learn more, head to gardena.com.